This weekend, celebrations will take place to mark the 200th anniversary of the birth of one of Wales's most famous musicians, John Roberts' Harpist of Wales, or Telynor Cymru. His life and works will be marked with 2 days of performances, talks and events exploring his life and how he and his family who lived in Newtown became one of Wales's best-known musical acts of their day. The celebrations are part of the Cwrgynnig Festival taking place at Cwrgynnig Hall. Born to a Romany mother and a Welsh father in North Wales, Roberts lived in Florrick Street in Newtown for much of his life and is known to have performed at Cwrgynnig Hall during the mid-19th century. He and his family performed at the Bear Hotel in Newtown and also performed on 9 triple harps in front of Queen Victoria whilst she was visiting North Wales. In 1948, he won the World Harp Competition at Abergavenny, as well as the Harp Prize at the National Eisteddfod in Cardiff in the same year. Roberts put Newtown firmly on the musical map and remains a significant figure within Welsh culture. He was one of the most famous musicians in Victoria, Wales, and I'm pleased to be able to mark his 200th birthday in the Senedd today.